very tired. Hi guys. The peanut gallery's back. And our hair's straight this time. We have sensual mother form, Miriam. No, I really like your hair straight.
Thank you. Yeah, it straightened last night, and then of course it decided to rain today, so it's curling back up. But it's giving me some celebrity woman named Jackie vibes.
Specific, very specific.
I wanted to say Jackie O, but I don't know what she looks like.
The sloth from Ice Age.
What?
I don't think she's attractive. Okay, so I'm gonna put up today's inspiration. My flowers are in the background, so my background just looks kind of cluttered, but I'm not moving them. I like my flowers. So we're gonna put my inspiration. Thank you, Bella Woods. Thank you. You know, I struggle to do graphic liners. Sometimes we have some hits. Sometimes we have some straight up misses. You know, you can't learn unless you do, and I bought brushes specifically to do graphic liners, so we're gonna attempt today. We're gonna make the attempt. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Thanks. We have an expert. You know, I didn't come in here without a stunt double, so we're gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
There's just a moment where you're like, oh no, fuck this, and then it cuts and it's just me with your foundation caked on my face.
Oh my god.
And it's just like, I did it, guys, and then it cuts back and it's you.
I did it. Put some eyebrows on this face.
Use this to why?
If my brow looks bad, you can blame it on this new technique. And if it looks good, it's because I'm talented.
Gorgeous. This is fun. No?
Okay, so we're gonna do a different look by Neon MUA, and we're already zoomed in for reasons that will, you know, become clear in the next 2 weeks or so. But you know, I really like the way he did his look, and it's already a shape I've been pretty interested in. Got one of my own dry hairs in my mouth. The only thing I don't have is a star stamp, but you know, I say like I haven't just failed at freehanding for 14 minutes. We're just gonna freehand a star. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so
That'd be great.
let me just buff on it. Yes, you could start TikToking again.
Okay. Consume an entire. I'm chilling tic-tacking until she's ready for me to become part of her world.
I can hear you.
I literally just...
I know, that's why I made the sound.
Oh. It's one of those really weird, fucked up animated things.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent free.
Oh my goodness. It's a little whippet who's wearing a hoodie. Just a skinny little dog. There you go. Okay.
Why do I feel like this? your TikTok viewing face, iconic. You're just. She's having a good time, Your Honor.
I don't think that should be a crime.
It is not. That's why I argue for my client. Let her continue to enjoy her tickety tackities.
You face stickers. So I view a lot of gothic women with face things, like they do like the moons and like all kinds of stuff on their makeup, and it looks too clean cut. I'm like, how did you do that?
Yeah.
I figured it was mostly Facetune, but the secret may be this lady's stickers, and they're really pretty. I might buy some. Hopefully she's not problematic. Correct.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Oh. Yes, gay man. Okay. Who are you? Get away from me. Get away from me on the internet. I said on the internet, not in real life.
I just totally put my thumb in the product I'm using to cut my crease.
Oh, touched it.
Blech.
Yeah. Disgusting.
Oh.
Ew. A couple that can actually
Yeah, simulate procreation.
be
How dare
together. Gross.
they? I poorly played Horny Bejeweled last night for 4 hours.
Oh, my cat was extra clingy yesterday.
Oh.
I don't know what it was. It was really cute. She was just like, I came home, she was sleeping on my bed, and I was like, okay. And like, she just chilled with me the whole day. There was no one else home, but usually she'd like lay on my parents' bed. No. She was like attached to me. I was like, okay. What are you going through? Are you sick?
Are you being bullied at school, Adora?
I can, yeah, I'll help you.
We can talk about
I
this.
love you. We can stay. I love her. Oh my god, what's her name? Yolene. Oh my goodness, I love pit bulls. They're just so cute.
Thought you were talking about the artist for a second.
Pit bull's okay.
Dolly.
He went to jail, but I think it was just stupid white collar bullshit.
Like recently?
Tax fraud. No, well, he just got out of jail.
Oh wow, didn't know that.
That's why we didn't hear from him for like, you know how I was like, I just realized that I hadn't heard from Jason Derulo in about like 7 or 8 years.
Yeah, essentially that, but Pitbull.
Yeah. Let me look it up.
Oh, it's so cold on my face. It feels weird. Oh, I gotta change lenses, but I'm not gonna.
Oh.
Wait, did he actually murder someone?
No.
Okay.
No. Oh. Okay, he was arrested for drunk driving.
Drunk driving?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Better, Pitbull.
Better. It won't tell me how long he was in jail, but he did kind of just drop off the face of the earth.
Yeah, he did not. I guess he did not prepare to go to jail by having some stuff ready. Treat your cameras with respect. Okay. Just suplex the camera.
Treat your cameras with respect. Respect.
Yeah.
Into the wall. You sound like what I imagine a black cat would sound like. This woman does not look like me at all.
ADHD is funny because it's kind of like being possessed by myself. Me desperately, can we get something done? Minor demon, who's also me. If you like pina colada.
Yes. Yes.
Us on our way back from Wendy's that one day. You and I were trying to have a serious conversation and our brains just kept going. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama.
Oh, Montego, Key Largo, come on, baby, let's go.
You wanna take it slow. Kokomo. I'm a banana.
Man, people with upper body strength.
They just be flexing. They just be flexing. They just be flexing.
She's literally sitting. Die. I've not been around snow enough to understand its consistencies. Dives headfirst into snow prank. It just busts my head open on asphalt.
Just yeet. She thought it was thick, but the only thing dummy thick was her skull. I guess.
And her ass.
Well, you didn't land on your ass now, did you, Rebecca?
Well, my ass is up. If my head's down.
I'm gonna save all my clear lip oils for when I can finally go outside and, you know, be nourished. But for now, we only wear for spectacle. like fancy milk on my face. Yup! Ah! Okay, so this is the fabric my mom got me, but I can never get to stay on my head. I don't know if I'm afraid of staining it because it's white or if it's just as shitty as I think it is. Twist motion. Oh, I can't wear this while I film. It's blowing out the camera. It's too white.
Too white.
I look like my head is God. I'm gonna throw it again. Back to classique. Thank you, Neon, for the inspiration for this look. Boop! Boop! Thank you, Darius. You're a delightful person, you. Alright. Alright, we're gonna film something, me and the Peanut Gallery. And it should come out after this. So, like weeks after. Like it's probably gonna be scheduled for first week of March. But you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter at Megan_blush_. And you know, I did a blue look recently that was really cool and fun. And I showed off my Valentine's Day flowers because I'm selfish. And you can generally look at my just all my 2021 videos in this playlist here, or generally where the flowers are. And you can subscribe generally where my face and or hands are. I just hope you have a really nice day. Bye guys. Bye.